Hello YouTubers, today I'm going to show you how to fix the PPTV ringtone problem. All you have to do is just to click the link below in the description and to flash the new firmware to fix the problem. And go straightforward as I show you here now. So first you have to open this order here. And install the MTK driver. After you did it, you're going to install the flash tool. This needs some time. After it is done, you have to go into the download agent. Here you need to open this file here, the MTK on 1, which you can find in the order where you put it. And for the scattered loading, you have to choose the MT6795 file. Okay, after you did it, you have to choose here firmware update, upgrade, and then you have to click the download button here. So next step is to shut down the PPTV smartphone, as I showed you here already. It is shut down, and then you need to connect your PPTV with the USB cable here. And then the download will start automatically, as you can see here. And what you need to do now is to take a rest and drink a coffee and wait for the process until 100%. This could take a while. Okay, now this is done. As you can see here, it's a signal. That means you could unplug the USB cable from your smartphone now and open your smartphone. So this will take another few minutes. Maybe I should mention the people who is buying this PPTV right now from our web shop will receive the PPTV without any problem anymore, obviously. And the people who bought it before could fix it as I showed you in this video. Android is starting finally. So now we go apply and proceed, we skip and try out, and that should be loading, and finally it is done. Now we can use the smartphone as usual. The Google Play Store is within Gmail also. Very fine, very cool. So again, if you buy the PPTV on our web shop right now, you will get the newest firmware without any ringtone problem. So if anybody call you, you will get the ringtone. You will hear it and you will get it. For the customer who bought it before, just do as I show you in this video and you will fix the problem. I hope it could help you, and yes, see you next time. Bye bye.